Hey everyone, it's Audrey McClelland from Mom Generations, and I'm so excited to have partnered with Baby Center to share with you some of my favorite and easy hairstyles for kids.
All right, guys, so we're gonna do a easy top knot. So this is how super easy, I do this on my hair too, actually. So take your child's hair and put a really high ponytail right on top. Go as high as you can go. And then all you're gonna do is take this ponytail and you're gonna divide it in half. You wanna make sure the sections are definitely even, and then just place them right on the side, okay? And then this is the hack for the easiest top knot ever. You're gonna take an elastic band and you're gonna place an elastic right on top, okay? And I'm gonna show you just how easy you do it. Place it right on top. So you actually create a cute little bun right there, right on top. What I like to do afterwards is I like to kind of just pull it a little bit, because this is gonna be the center of our top knot. And then you have all this extra hair that's just hanging around. So what are you gonna do with it? You're gonna take it and you're just gonna wrap it around this really cute little knot right on top. So you just take the hair, wrap it around, and then you're just gonna take an elastic band to secure right into place. So I use these little tiny elastic bands. I love them. You're gonna just pop it right over, or any elastic band. You could use a scrunchie, you could use a ribbon, you could whatever you want. And then the key to a top knot,
use a bobby pin.
or a bobby pin, and the key to a top knot is you obviously have it secured in place right now. I love to go back and just play with it, just to give it a little bit more of like a messy look, because it's a kid, right?
Kind of like Play-Doh.
Kind of like Play-Doh, right? So there you go, an easy, super duper, quick top knot. Victoria, put your head back. I'm obsessed with this look. I love it. That's how easy it is.